I am Federico. I am the managing director of Gidue, a manufacturer of printing and converting machines, and I am the chairman of the membership committee in FINAT. I would share the opinion that the self-adhesive label industry is always a source of surprises in the whole graphic industry. Since the beginning of the activities, I am in this world since 18 years now, and I have seen the first UV flexo machines in the market, which are now entering also in the packaging market. I have seen a lot of changes in technology, as some exclusive technologies developed only for the self-adhesive industry. If we think at something recent, we can think about cold foil, which is somehow revolutioning the way of decoration also on the sheet fed industry, where before everything had to do with hot stamping. And this technology is a simple technology which has changed a lot of things. But there are a number of technologies which were surprising, developed exclusively by the self-adhesive industry. Offset has been an established printing process for many years in all the graphic industry, and it started to be relatively considered in the past 3, 4, 5 years. The first point is that self-adhesive industry developed with a UV letterpress, which already was giving a reasonably good quality. And self-adhesive industry is based on short runs. And before, short runs with offset were quite difficult to obtain. The real technology step has been the electronic intelligence and the servo controls you can put on the offset machines to be able to control all the variables which are not present in UV flexo. The variables like water balance, water ink balance, and dampening systems. So it's a change which has been possible probably because the technology has been as fast as needed by the label industry, which needs an offset related to the specific needs of our industry. Short runs all the time and consistent print quality. There will be big changes in the best practices, in the way people will operate on the whole production chain. This will change dramatically because of the sustainability pressure, legislation pressure, and so probably new means of production of self-adhesive labels will be found out. We have a problem with the food industry where UV is not considered at the moment viable for the food industry. UV technology is able to give a very high energy efficiency, and this is and not only high efficiency, but because of the fact that you don't have solvents in the inks, you are able to have very short setup times and wastes. So if we are able to spread the UV technology to the limit once again, we are able to be more sustainable and also more cost effective. And I would like to also talk about the fact that sustainability is always more cost effective. I just wanted to add that the role of FINAT in this world where the information is available to everybody and information is well spread out is to transform this information to useful and usable information, which means knowledge. So the real role of FINAT and of associations on any kind of industry is to create knowledge. And knowledge can be networking by having information spread and shared between the people, by creating knowledge with the technical committees, for instance, creating standards, creating knowledge which is usable, exclusive, unique, and understandable by the industry and by the whole chain.